Everyone, today I'm gonna make a very easy and quick banana pudding. The ingredients for this recipe are bananas, Jell-o instant pudding, cream cheese, nilla wafers, 1 can of condensed sweet milk, 2% milk, and 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. It's in the refrigerator. I'll take it out later. First, I'm gonna mix the cream cheese with 1 can of condensed sweet milk, This one is done. I'm gonna put it aside. Now I'm gonna mix the 2 cups of 2% milk with a box of Jell-o instant pudding. This is mixed well. I'm gonna put it aside. Now I'm gonna cut the bananas. I'm combining both of my mixtures together. It's mixed very well. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of whipped cream and then mix it again. In a medium bowl, first I'm gonna put a layer of nilla wafer, then a layer of bananas, then a layer of the pudding, and I'm gonna repeat this 3 times. This is a very easy and healthy dessert to make at home, and the ingredients are very easy to find at the grocery stores. The banana pudding is ready to be served. It's nice and cold and very delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I appreciate your support. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.